Hello my little YouTubers, how you all doing today? Good, I hope. So what are we doing today? I've got this, hey, she looks happy, doesn't she? This is 10 Kroner from Denmark. Well, nice to see a smile. I've never seen much of a smiley face on a coin. That's a first. Anyway, enough chit chat, more action. It's a bit warmer today. It's just above freezing. But it's not really melting yet. Let's go over to Big Bertha and whack a hole in it. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. Every time I have to hit her on the bottom. And again. My knuckle just cracked, did you hear it? My hands have had it. My knees have had it. In fact, I've had it. Right, we just want to clean up the edge, that inside edge where I punched through. See, it's a bit rough and ready. This is Christy Burr, a deburring tool. You can get these at hobby shops or ironmongers, or they don't cost much. But when you get them, they usually come with a really crap blade. If you ever want to get good deburring tools, there's no name on these ones. I can't forget what they're called, but they're bloody good. Touch more. That's good. So that's nice and clean now. Nice and clean, baby. Right, let's break out the one and only. Mr. Fast, oh shit, Mr. Fast, I just burnt my hand. Yesterday I burnt the floor, which stank terrible. And now I can smell burnt hair. This is just called annealing, softens up the metal so I can work it a bit easier. Hopefully I won't drop this one. Okie dokie. Right. That's a 17-degree folding die. Let's dry it off. And I think I think we'll have this sunny side up. You've got the date on it, Kroner. You've got some leaves and stuff. So this is going to go face down in the die. Make sure it's level. Then we go over to Big Red, my 1-ton arbor press. we fold it. Why they call this folding, I don't know. Right, make it up sandy and clean up the edge, make sure there's no cracks forming. If you want to check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. If you don't want to check it out, that's okay. Oh, there you go. That's pretty good. No cracks forming, no splits. A little bit sad there, but it's not a crack. So let's show a bit more love. That should do the job for now. Alright, let's get a bit more clean kitchen roll. I'll go through kitchen roll like it's no tomorrow. Right, let's go over to spike. This is a spike. It's a ring stretcher, and yep, you guessed it, it stretches your ring. This just saves you losing detail from the inside of the ring. I mean, you're not going to see the detail, but it's there, so why not keep it, you know. I think it needs a bit more love. It's hardening up a bit. There we go. That should be the last time I have to do it. Okay, what we got? What we got? Still bloody hot. I've got smaller coins if you want, you know, if you've got small fingers. You just want the edge to touch the top of this. Then that's as far as you're going to go. So now we come down. Will this fit in here? I always like to use these if I can. No. Okay. These are reduction dies. just want to get that cone shape out. Let's do a bit more. Bit more. There you go. The walls are nice and straight. I think. Let's have a look with my eye. Yeah, that's straight. Right. Let's get Kate Bush on the subject, wherever she is. Where's Kate? Come on, Kate, where are you? Stop mucking me about. So where did Kate go? There she is. She's looking very sad, but I might get another coin out of it. This is just like fine steel wool on the end of this thing. It doesn't scratch it, it just gets the fire scale off and tightens it up a bit. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon. Just hit all the buttons really. You know. If you hit all the buttons you can't go wrong. There you go. That's a satin look I love. I prefer that to the shiny side. I will polish this, but if you want them back to satin, I'll just rip out Kate Bush and chuck her on. And that's why I use the kitchen roll. You don't lose the detail. You got any lip in here? Little bit. There's a very thin lip just above them dots. You want to cut that out, otherwise it makes the round comfortable to wear. So if you're in Denmark and you're looking for a coin ring, I've got a few Danish coins. Bit more. Bit for me. Bit for you. Bit for that gorgeous blonde next door. There you go. Beautiful. So now we'll take out what's left of Kate. We're chucking Felton John. Chuck a bit of polish on it. And give it the old one too. Right, clean the mandies. Get felting on the job. Right, what we got here? What we got here then? Like I said, my girlfriend finishes these off because my hands are all covered in oil and polish and God knows what else. There you go. That's why you use the kitchen roll. You don't lose the detail on the inside. Kroner. Some flowers. 1979. And on the inside it says, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. That's nice, isn't it? Okay folks, let's measure it first. Back to the old US stick. I can adjust these sizes as well if you want this ring. This is 11.5 US. But thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good week. And hit all the buttons for me. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.